The first thing you're going to want to do is log into your Google Suite and then navigate your web browser over to Google Colab. This is what the landing page looks like. I'm just going to walk you through how Google Colab works, the different kinds of boxes that you can insert, and I'm just going to use the scratch pad here. So there's two types of boxes that you can insert into Google Colab: code boxes and text boxes. Text boxes use a programming language called R Markdown. Here I'll click the title button and it'll insert a new section. And then I'll do two pound symbols, and this will make a subsection, and you could continue on and make even more subsections. You can see it gives me a little preview of what this will look like. And then over here in the table of contents, you can see I have a new section. All of these buttons are clickable, so you can insert a bulleted list or a numbered list, or I guess even emojis. Okay. Inside a text box, you can put the double dollar sign, and this will give you access to a really common type of math typesetting language called LaTeX. Some people say LaTeX. Or you can type things like square roots, and this will just kind of render nice looking math type. So if you're interested in using tools like this, they are available in the R Markdown environment. But the most common thing that you use Google Colab for is coding in Python. So if you insert a code box, I already have one inserted here, then you can start coding using the really common coding language called Python. Here I have imported probably the most common Python libraries that you're going to be using, NumPy and Matplotlib. So I'm just going to run this cell, just so you know. Also, Shift Enter and Control Enter are the hotkeys to run the cell, and this will import these really common Python libraries. I just want to give you a quick little example about how you can get Python to make a simple graph. So I built a domain. I've defined the length of the domain to be 1, and then I've partitioned the domain into 64 different pieces and defined the size of each step. And now I'm going to build a range for the independent variable. So I'll go from 0 out to L, and the step size here will be dx. Y is equal to x squared. Python does a really nice job of generating a rather pretty graph. Here it actually returns this object, these plot objects. So if you run plt.show, then I think it should clear that up, so there won't be this little dialog box at the top. Don't hesitate to reach out to me if you have any questions about the basics of how Google Colab works.